Very good morning. Happy New Year again. This is Kalandan Teams coming with another episode in this wonderful New Year 2021. And today's topic, we start with internet safety tips. Certain tips because I've experienced this because basically, let me tell you, I'm doing my vlog based on my life experience. That's why I put my theme as it's a live autobiography somewhat. So let's come to the topic. Maybe it's useful for everybody. I'm going to talk about, in general, about the internet safety. Before that, let us recap our health features. We have been through 2020 with the threats of COVID and was thinking that in 21 it's the reality comes out and we'll be in a better position, and hopefully yes, vaccines are coming out, and yet another new variety of COVID also on the news, and we have to take care, and that means we have to continue using safety measures. Of course, I want to tell you that using mask is a very good option, and frequently washing hands and face, and clean up, using not to repeat any of your outfits, dresses. Use fresh washed and well iron your clothes. This is a better tip. Wash your hands regularly. Use all kinds of disinfectants, sabun, and all sort of detergents, etc. This is a good thing. Okay, let's come back to the topic of the day, that is internet safety. This is I was having my own experience and experience from my colleagues in general. By using, let's start from the email system, and we are using it every day. Email, it's a very easy, economic, convenient mode of sending mails faster. And my advice is, it's a faster tool, but due to certain current irregularities, spam or phishing activities, let me advise you to, while using your official communication, this is a very fast tool, internet, but please use it slowly. This is my advice. Use slowly the emails. That means you should have enough time to secure your safety tips. Let's take incident by incident. One of my colleagues sent me recent experience that they are using a company for buying fruits and vegetables, so they used to communicate each other. But all of a sudden, the buyer got an email similar to the email address of the seller, asking for a bank transfer of invoice pending or something, and unfortunately the buyer sends money to that account. But what happened is that this was a really scam email. So how it happening, it's a very simple node I can explain you. Like for example, let's say we have a company supplier called ABC Trading, and we used to get regular email from the person name at the rate of abctrading.com. So here what happens is that through the regular mails, one day the mail comes in the shape of ABC Trading at the rate of some social email.com. So here the twist happening, and by the speed of our daily usage, we missed out to locate or identify the senders, verify the sender's email. Does it come from the correct source? because as we know, unfortunately, intelligent hackers can rectify our regular daily business on the internet or email system. They can very well know what is your business, to whom you are paying, what are you buying, and where it is, what is your last communication. So they will put a mask and appear in between your communications, and you get carried away to the wrong hands. So that's why I'm telling you there is no safety or guarantee way to escape from this type of scammers. But my advice is, the internet is a faster media, but use it slowly. Means whenever you get an email, important mails having commercial value, transaction, etc., use your time. Don't be jump into conclusions. Check your sender's email address. Make sure it's come from the correct source of your partner is right. Or always, before committing a financial transaction, give a reply to your client that, let me reconfirm your data once again, so and so, as based on your email or communication, I'm going to transfer to your below bank account, so and so. So use double checking, and as I told you, internet is a faster media, but use it slowly. This is my today's tip, because I can't explain every case or aspect, because it takes ages or time, days or months to complete this review. Let's start one by day, one by one. And today's advice is, internet is a faster media, but use it slowly for your security, and verify. This slowly means not to slow down your daily office routine, but to make sure, give enough time to verify what you see in the screen is real, reliable, not a scam. Because even I got communication resembling somebody else, and maybe you are also getting, if you are in front of a office administration, you'll get mails like, you got a parcel, you got a shipment, you got a insurance, you got a payment, here is your statement. You know, so better not to explore through strange email address other than what is you're getting daily. So let's have a look at genuinity of your email sender's address, then react. So you need time, so use it slowly for taking care. Next is, always, second tip of the day is that, don't ask internet about your bank web address. Suppose you want to do a bank transaction from of your bank, and don't ask the internet what is the online banking address for so and so bank, because here is another mask scam can appear. Because someone can mistakenly guide you for a wrong similar banking address, which you happen to have your banking, which looks like of your bank. So if you click that link, it looks like your bank, but it is going to a hacker's site made similar as your bank. So what did happen next? It looked like you have all these daily using your lookalike. First page will be same. When you it ask for your user ID, password, etc., etc., all your information will be leaked out. You know what happens? Suddenly you ask for a transaction, it shows some error, so you think that, oh, the bank site is not good, it got some error. But what happened is that the bank, you are not working on your bank side, you are working on a hacker side, and what they are doing is that when they finish you typing your user id password, it show error and disappear. So by this time they got all your user id and password of banking account. So next, you know what is going to happen. So my second tip of the day is that if you don't know your own bank's web online address, better you ask the bank manager to send you what is the online banking address, web address, and follow that. So use not use search engines for getting your online bank web address. Okay, this is very important because this is the way, this is called phishing means somebody is phishing using a mask, a duplicate web page to get your data and send your life into a tragedy. So this is the second tip of the day. Don't use search engine to find your online banking web address. So that's it for the day. Enjoy, do your hard work, safely use mask, and use all type of health safety regulation to survive through all the negativities. Bye.